Hello guys, this is Victor Delerme. It's great to see you again. And today I want to talk to you about a topic that affects many of our clients that are living overseas. We have many clients that live in Mexico. We have clients that live in Canada. We have clients in Portugal. We have clients in Puerto Rico, clients in Costa Rica, Colombia, Argentina, Australia, you name it, right? So we've been in business for over 15 years, and we help our clients with international tax that have an impact in the, with their taxes in the U.S. Just like managing a global business, navigating the intricacies of the tax code when you're living abroad can be very complex, or can seem at least very complex. But fear not, we're here to shed some light on the process. Okay, we're gonna show you more or less how it works and how we can help you. So when you're living abroad, it is essential to stay compliant with the U.S. tax laws. You want to make sure that it doesn't matter if you're in the U.S. or you are outside of the U.S., Latin America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, you name it. You want to make sure that you're compliant with the IRS and with the U.S. government. Filing your U.S. tax returns involves a series of schedules, and each schedule captures different aspects of your financial situation. It doesn't matter if it's your business or your personal taxes. So from income to foreign assets, understanding the various schedules is crucial and very important to ensure that you're capturing the accuracy of the information. And this is just to make sure that you're compliant. But not only compliant, but you want to make sure that you're doing things the right way, the proper way. Basically, international tax in our aspect, in the way we help our clients, means a U.S. citizen, a foreign national, or a green card holder that has to file taxes in the U.S. but the person has an international aspect, either earning income or has assets outside of the U.S. So let's break down some of the schedules that are very important and basic when it comes about your personal taxes. Let's break it down. Schedule A, it's when you itemize your deductions, things like a mortgage, interest, medical expenses, and charitable contributions. Schedule B is for my friends, the investors, right? Those are my people. Those are the people that actually earn interest on their assets, on their savings, on their investments. These are people that also capture dividends, right? You also have what's called Schedule C. Schedule C is for those who are engaged in business, right? And in your Schedule C, you report your income and also expenses. Each schedule serves a specific purpose, helping create a comprehensive financial snapshot, a personal snapshot, if you will. Now, for our clients residing abroad, outside of the U.S., there's a unique aspects to consider. The foreign earned income exclusion allows you to exclude a certain amount of your foreign earned income from U.S. taxation. That number changes typically on a yearly basis. Meanwhile, the foreign tax credit provides a relief for taxes paid to foreign countries, preventing double taxation. Normally, in often cases, the U.S. has what's called a treaty with a number of countries, okay? That basically means that the IRS, the government, is going to help you avoid what's called double taxation, okay? In other words, if you have interests or businesses outside of the U.S., let's say, for example, in Mexico, the U.S. has a treaty with the country of Mexico. That way, if you have to report and you have to file taxes in the U.S., the treaty will help you avoid double taxation. Yeah, so we have a client. Our client, it's in Argentina, and he is a U.S. citizen, and he lives in Argentina, right? And he earns income, and he has businesses in Argentina, right? What happens is that he spends time in the U.S. and he spends time in Argentina. But as a U.S. citizen, he has to report his income on a global basis, on a worldwide basis, just because by virtue of being a U.S. Citizen. And when we help our client with his taxes in the U.S., we help him in different ways, right? And the best way that we've been helping our client is by taking the foreign tax credit, right? So whatever taxes that our client pays in Argentina, he will take it as a credit for taxes that he would owe in the US. And that changes on a yearly basis. We've been working with our client for many, many years. And, business profits go up and down, and the taxation level does change depending on the business activity, whether the business has been expanding or whether the business has contracted and so forth. But in essence, the way we've been helping this client is by taking taxes that he paid in Argentina and take it as a credit here in the US. That way avoiding double taxation. And yes, the US has a tax treaty with Argentina, and in this case, he's avoiding double taxation legally. And when we're talking about understanding the tax laws in the US, I could understand, and yes, I agree that this could be a little bit complex. So leveraging these provisions, these tax laws, can make a significant impact on your tax liability. Okay? So you have to understand how the tax laws internationally and also federal in the US can have an impact in your personal taxes. It is like managing a multinational corporation, optimizing your strategy to achieve the best possible outcome in the global marketplace. It is like managing any business, right? You always want to utilize the best information that you have available so you can make the best decisions and you can make the best planning for you to obtain the best outcome. You can leverage the foreign income tax credit, or you can leverage the foreign earned income exclusion. In other words, you want to leverage the best one that applies to you. And as CPAs, as your financial planners, we're here to guide you through the process and the complexities of filing US tax returns from abroad. Whether you're navigating or whether you have to file a Schedule A or maximizing the benefits of the foreign earned income exclusion, we got you covered, so you don't have to worry about it. If you have any questions or any concerns, do not hesitate to reach out to us. We've been in business for over 15 years, and we have a lot of experience helping our clients navigating the international tax aspects of their business. Let me share with you guys a story of a client that plays basketball in China. Our client approached us actually a couple of years ago, and he used to play basketball in the US, and now he's playing basketball in China. And in China, he paid taxes, and he paid a lot of taxes in China. As a US citizen, he's required to file taxes in the US and report the income earned while he's playing basketball in China. And we took a look at his documents, right? We took a look at the information from China, and we took a look at his information from the US. And we were able to take a $300,000 foreign tax credit from the taxes he paid in China against his taxes in the US. So our team was able to help our client save $300,000 in taxes just by having the right approach, looking at the right information, and take the best decisions that he can take with the information available. So as you see, our team was able to help our clients save over $300,000 worth of taxes. So if you believe you need information or you need help with your international taxes, either you live outside of the US or in the US, give us a call. We'll be more than glad to give you a consultation and help you in this tax situation. My name is Victor Delerme. Thank you so much for allowing me to talk to you today, and we'll see you soon.